Welcome to Biztory Finance.
Today, we're diving right into how we can take that totally overused buzzword, passive income, and actually transform it into real, structured, automated revenue systems. We're pulling insights straight from entrepreneurship experts to map out the exact architectural blueprints of wealth building. Seriously, if you've ever wanted to finally uncouple your income from your time, you are in the exact right place. Now, think back to growing up. Most of us were constantly warned about the dangers of debt, right? We were told that interest never sleeps, it never takes a day off, and it certainly never takes a holiday. It's like you're laying awake at night stressing about making a buck, while those interest rates are just relentlessly working against you in the background. But here's the crucial point. What if we flip that script entirely? Because if interest can work against you 24/7, well, automated systems can absolutely be built to work for you 24/7. We're talking about creating a reality where your money, your digital assets, your whole system is literally making money while you sleep. To pull this off, we're going to follow what we call the leverage blueprint. It's broken down into 4 distinct pillars. We'll hit financial leverage, digital leverage, automated e-commerce systems, and then wrap up with literal sleep gigs. Let's kick things off with Section 1, financial leverage and deploying your cash. The absolute lowest effort starting point here is just rethinking where your money currently sits. Instead of keeping it in traditional banks where your cash basically just stagnates in standard super low yield accounts, simply move it into a high yield savings account. We're talking about places like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Ally Bank. By doing just that one thing, you're instantly securing a system that safely earns you interest every single day. Honestly, it's the simplest form of financial leverage out there. Taking that a step further, you can actually act like a traditional bank or a landlord, but, and this is key, entirely without the traditional headaches. You can look at vehicles like dividend-paying stocks purchased through brokerages like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab, which just automatically drop cash payouts into your account. Or check out real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul. They let you invest in massive commercial projects, but you never have to actually manage a property or, fix a leaky roof at 2 a.m. And if you really want to play the bank, peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, and Harmony let you issue loans directly to consumers, which often earns you way higher interest rates. Oh, and you can even set up CAF 529 plans to passively grow funds for future college tuition. It's completely hands-off. Okay, moving right along to Section 2, digital leverage or building assets once. The whole premise here is built on the build once, earn twice strategy. Actually, scratch that. It's more like build once, earn thousands of times. The idea is that you put in a solid burst of upfront effort to create a digital asset. Maybe it's an ebook, a really good educational video, or a full-on course. But once that initial legwork is done, you just let the algorithms and digital storefronts access, sell, and distribute the thing 24/7. You get to step away, and the system just keeps collecting the proceeds. So let's look at a really concrete example of this, setting up an affiliate marketing stream. It's basically a simple 3-step process. Step 1, you create a niche blog with just amazing content. To put that into perspective, entrepreneur John Rampton points out that creating a highly specific invoicing blog can draw thousands of targeted signups every single month. Step 2, you partner with programs like Amazon Associates or ShareASale and embed custom tracking codes into your posts. And Step 3, boom, your blog becomes a 24-hour salesperson. Whenever a visitor clicks your link and buys a product, you earn a commission, totally automatically. Now, if you want to really supercharge these digital assets, you've got to utilize an autoresponder. Think of systems like Opt-in Monster. Basically, an autoresponder is like an automated, tireless follow-up system. A visitor comes to your site, they leave their email address, and then the autoresponder automatically pings them with a link to download your product. After that, it sends a completely pre-written series of emails that continue to offer value and even sell your services, long after that person has left your website. And the crazy part is, the internet gives us so many platforms that handle all the delivery and the transactions, so you just don't have to. Whether you're hosting an educational course on Udemy or Teachable, selling custom graphics on shirts and mugs through print-on-demand sites like Redbubble or Printify, or even trading music and creative royalties on the Royalty Exchange. Heck, if you've built a high-traffic blog, you can flip the entire digital asset on a marketplace like Flippa for a lump sum. The technology acts as your infrastructure, meaning you literally never have to process a single transaction manually. All right, on to Pillar 3, automated e-commerce, specifically looking at middleman models. The absolute crucial point here is that you act solely as the middleman. You do not need a garage stacked to the ceiling with inventory. Take Amazon FBA, for example. You ship your products in bulk to Amazon's US warehouses, And then their massive infrastructure handles all the storage, the packaging, the overnight shipping, and even the round-the-clock customer support. Or think about drop shipping. You set up a really slick online storefront using Shopify, connect it to automated suppliers via tools like de-essers, and when a customer orders, the request routes directly to the vendor who ships it right to the buyer. The logistics are just completely off your plate. And finally, Section 4, literal sleep gigs focusing on active testing. Now imagine a payout of $3,000. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's actually the potential earning from product review companies like Sleep Junkie. They periodically hire literal sleep testers to simply evaluate mattresses and pillows, sleep on them, and just report back on their experience. It is wild. Now, while these literal sleep gigs are obviously highly competitive, they are very real. And beyond just mattress testing, you can also participate in clinical sleep studies. U.S. universities and medical institutions regularly pay participants to just stay overnight in their labs so they can monitor your sleep patterns. You can literally look up active medical research opportunities right now on the clinicaltrials.gov registry to start earning income during your actual REM sleep. Talk about a dream job, right? So there you have it, the entire leverage blueprint. We've gone from deploying your existing cash and financial vehicles to building a digital content empire to architecting completely automated e-commerce stores. And yeah, even getting paid to test mattresses. Like we said at the start, interest never takes a holiday, but now neither does your income. The tools and platforms are quite literally at your fingertips, just waiting to be utilized. So my question for you is, which of these automated systems will you begin architecting today to start earning your own freedom? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.